Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by weighing ingredients precisely. 200 g cocoa butter, 80 g milk powder, 100 g icing sugar, 2 g lecithin, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. You melt the cocoa butter gently in a double boiler at 40–45 degrees, making sure steam does not touch chocolate. This preserves texture. Once mostly liquid, you sift milk powder and sugar into a bowl and whisk. Then gradually fold the dry mix into the warm butter, so it hydrates evenly and stays smooth. You emulsify the mixture with a hand blender or whisk for 1 to 2 minutes, scraping the bowl so particles dissolve and the mix becomes glossy. Once smooth, you cool the chocolate to 27–28 degrees by stirring over an ice bath. This forms stable crystals. Then gently rewarm to 29–30 degrees to finish tempering. This step controls snap and bloom resistance. Once at working temperature, you transfer to a piping bag and form uniform 8–10 mm drops on a silicone mat, leaving space between chips. You let the pipe chip set slowly on a chilled baking sheet for 10 to 20 minutes at about 16–18 degrees, because rapid refrigeration causes sweating and bloom. Once fully set, you gently peel them off and store in an airtight container at the same cool temperature, away from odors and light to preserve flavor. If the chips turn grainy or separate, reheat to about 40 degrees, re-emulsify with a blender, then retemper and strain. This fixes texture issues in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.